Hi everyone. So we just came back from New York from the Fashion Week, and I wanted to share few insights that I have. First of all, one of the most important things that a lot of people told me, which might sound obvious, but a lot of people don't pay enough attention to it. Once you acquire your skill, once you create your collection, your garment, the most important thing you should be focusing on is the connection with other people. It's networking, knowing other people, and letting them to know you, to show yourself, to be present. And this is something, again, might sound obvious, but a lot of people don't do it, and you should. This confirms that what we do in Dressmaking Academy is so important because we focus both on skill building and on community building, on human connection. That was really nice to hear. Second insight, the way you can present your collection. So you can do it in a traditional way with a catwalk. You can incorporate elements of show, stage design with lightning and actors that would enhance the experience. Or you can do something that Raul did, which was, in my opinion, was very smart and beautiful. So, and budget friendly as well. So basically what he did a presentation of the collection in a way of a networking event, which is not new, but you can do that yourself. So basically the models with the dress were present in the room, and all the event was like a networking event, right? So they had a little bit of food, a little bit of coffee and drinks, which was also a collaboration with other brands and other designers and other businesses, and people had a chance to network, to mingle, to talk, and Raul would give his attention to every guest, would present a guest to all the audience, and would explain about the collection, and would take time to make photos. And this way, he was promoting his collection in the most organic way. I think there is a lesson there, and it is beautiful. I asked him the boiling question that I got a lot. So, how to approach the collection, the creation of the collection? And here is his answer.
A lot of young designers are struggling with creating their collection. How do you approach the collection?
You know what? A collection has to be a personal opinion. It has to be basically how you see the world through the fabrics and the colors. To me, every collection is inspiring an emotion. And then the emotion is translated into fabrics and colors. And then the most important is like, if that emotion is consistent with three words that best represent your brand, in this case, shine, sheer, and flow, you have the formula for success. So I feel that every designer, you know what? We know that it's very costly to do a collection. You don't have to do 60 pieces. You can do only one little piece. But if that piece has the DNA of your brand, you did your homework as a creative mind.
Which one is your favorite dress?
You know what? That's a question that is very difficult because every time that I see a piece, it's not much about the piece, but usually it's about the girl who carried the piece. And then because I have ADD, I go to Daphne and then I'm like, oh my gosh, she looks so hot. And then I'm like, oh my God, it's Reagan is here because she loves that. So it's basically so much information that I can say now, I gotta tell you, this is done. We start working in the next collection. Uh, but this is my most special because it's my first under the CFDA. And every girl has an incredible role, and I'm so happy to be able to do this.
Thank you for that. This is such an amazing answer.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you guys next time.